So when I started this marathon from just $1, it all felt like just an experiment to reach $100,000. But after just a couple of episodes, it becomes pretty clear that this is a real race. In episode 2, the balance grew to $184. In the third, we speed up to $4,349. And in the fourth, I switched to a more disciplined style and reached a little over $15,000. But day 5 was a cold shower. 2 trades closed in loss and the account went into a little depression. So today I'm ready to show the next step forward. For trading, I've chosen the combo of alligator, MACD, and Donchian channel. This episode will have plenty of practice, including situations you should not repeat without experience. Watch this video till the end because I'll show how to keep growing even after a little setback, and why risk is part of the path, and there is no moving toward the goal without it. In my Telegram channel, I share all my trades in real time and explain what exactly I see on the chart. It's a live format where you can ask questions in real time and dive deeper. The link is in the description of this video. All you need to do is just send me a message and I'll add you. So as usual, first let's set up the chart. This massively improves accuracy and helps get stronger signals from indicators. Chart type candlestick, time frame 3 minutes, indicators alligator, Donchian channels, and MACD. Alligator, lips shift 1, period 3, ultra fast line. Teeth default, jaws shift 3, period 5, very fast. This makes alligator super sensitive. Colors, lips blue, jaws orange. Donchian channels, period 15, classic breakout setup, style upper boundary thick white, lower boundary white, channel fill gray. MACD, signal period 10, slower signal line. Fast period 15, smoother fast EMA, slow period 30, slower EMA. With these settings, MACD gives calmer and more reliable signals than default. Style, lines only, both more saturated. The chart is ready, so am I. I've traded with this combo before, so I'm confident. Right now the chart looks like it's sending price upward. Opening a call for 1600, 5 minutes. Price bounced off the lower Donchian boundary and formed a higher low inside the range. After the rebound, candles moved into the upper half of the channel and broke mini highs. That's my signal. Blue alligator line crosses yellow upward. Lines fan out, the jaw opens up. Price holds above all lines. Typical bullish reversal by alligator. MACD lines cross bullishly, fast above signal, both pointing up. Confirmation that the upward impulse is accelerating. So that's enough for a profitable setup. Let's see. Trade closes $3,072, quite perfect. As you know, I no longer risk going all in, and I don't recommend you do either. And I explained why in the previous episode. Opening a put for $1,900. Price wicked above Donchian upper boundary and instantly fell back inside a false breakout after returning a series of bars formed lower, shifting momentum from the top to the opposite side of the box. Fast alligator line already crossed slower one downward, mouth closes, bearish phase starts. Price holds below the fan and made a tiny green retest from below, followed by a red candle, confirmation of trend rejection. MACD made a bearish cross, fast under signal, both sloping down. Waiting for the close, and the trade closes $3,648, quite excellent. Here's a tip, do not jump in on the very first red candle. Wait for confirmation, a second candle, or a retest. This filters false moves and raises accuracy. If you don't want to just watch trades, but actually learn from me, join my Telegram channel. There I share private breakdowns, strategies, and things that do not make it to YouTube. The link is under this video. Message me so I can add you. So I want to test one entry strategy that I've never tried before, opening a call for $100. Let's see how it pays out. Price bounced off Donchian's lower boundary and moved up, but now it's hitting the upper boundary. That's risky, could reverse. Blue alligator line crossed yellow upward, first wake-up signal, market trying to turn bullish. If they spread wider, it confirms trend birth. MACD lines converge, preparing to cross up, impulse shift, buyers taking control. But candles are touching Donchian upper boundary, which is quite risky, so we're waiting, and the trade closes at 0. Lesson: even with signals aligned, trades can fail if market is in a strong downtrend, and here the rise was just a short correction. No reason to be upset. I knew this was risky, so moving on toward the bigger goal. Opening 2 calls, $1,250 twice. This way I can close one at the first target and leave the second for the next level. Blue alligator line crosses yellow upward, fanning open, bullish. Price rises above the lines, retests slightly, then continues up, reversal confirmed. Long downtrend touched Dungeon's lower band, pierced, then pulled back inside, classic bottom bounce. MACD shows bullish cross, both lines pointing up. Waiting, and the first trade closes $2,400, just great. Second one, $2,400, perfect. My balance is now $20,680. Advice: only double enter when signals are very strong, and always keep combined risk with acceptable percentage of your account. Market is trending nicely, so I'll take more profit. I'll repeat the last move. Opening 2 calls again, $1,350 twice. Dungeon, price pierced the lower boundary, bounced back inside, formed a higher low, clear bottom rejection. Bar shifted into the upper half, breaking a local left level. Room to move toward the top band. Alligator, blue lines crosses yellow upward, price holds above the fan, bullish phase. MACD, bullish cross, lines widening up. Indicator lows are rising, bullish divergence. Impulse growing. So Dungeon bounce plus alligator opening upward plus bullish MACD plus confirming candles. Strong confluence. So the trade closes first plus $2,592, second the same $2,592, just fantastic. My balance now is $23,164, and I'll stop here for today. Alright, so the day 6 of the marathon is over, and my current balance reached $23,164. And I'll remind you, all of that happened starting from just $1, right in front of your eyes. But we've seen losing trades and failed entries too, all part of the process. So in the next episode, I'll change my approach a little bit, and I'm gonna try a new format. With higher balance, risks grow bigger, and you'll see how I handle the next challenge. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, and check out our Telegram channel because there is plenty of interesting stuff you might want to know. See you in the next episodes. I promise that will be very entertaining and educational at the same time. So bye-bye for now, and happy trading.